everyone, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. In case you are new to our channel, this channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare product that is 100% organic and chemical free. And here on this channel we share skincare tips and DIY recipes that is going to help you to achieve a smooth, flawless and even toned complexion. So beauties, do you want to have that healthy glow that is smooth, soft and have that even toned skin complexion? In this video I'll be showing you the right recipe to make a body butter that will help you to achieve that healthy glow and smoothness of the skin. This is the body butter that I'm talking about. It's purely, look at it, hope you can see it. Yes, it's purely a natural recipe. It's recommended for all skin type, and especially if you have a dry skin or you have used any product that has damaged your skin, this body butter is going to help you to heal and also repair your skin. Also, I'll be showing you how to make this body butter in this video. All right, beauties, so we have an amazing community and we would love you to be part of us. All you have to do is to stay updated by subscribing to our channel so that you can get to know about skincare and how to formulate skincare products, and also get to know about skincare tips that is going to help you to achieve a flawless and even toned complexion. So if you find our video helpful, kindly like, share and leave a comment below. I love to respond to comments and I'm looking forward to seeing yours. And without wasting much of your time, come with me, let me take you to the lab so that we can get started. See you there.
You are welcome. So right here I have a mixing bowl, and you must use either a glass, ceramic or stainless mixing bowl for this formulation. I have my spatula and a scale to weigh out the ingredients. I'm going to be using a 99% alcohol to sanitize my hands and equipment before proceeding. So I'll be making 200 grams of this body butter, and I'll be weighing the ingredients. And the first ingredient that I'll be adding is the shea butter, and I'll be adding 160 grams of shea butter. So shea butter is filled with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. It is a very good remedy for inflammatory acne. It helps in reducing the appearance and redness of acne scars after breakouts, and it has high content of vitamin E, which contributes to the healthy recycling of old damaged skin to reveal new skin. The next ingredient I'll be adding is turmeric oil. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. It also helps to treat skin conditions like pimples, acne, and also clears blemishes. It also helps to lighten dull skin and helps to boost glow. I'll be adding 32 ml of turmeric oil. I have a full detailed video on how to make a turmeric oil, and the link is in the description box below. And if you want to learn how to measure and calculate ingredients, try and purchase our advanced training skincare ebook. It is a formulation book that you need, that is going to help you to start creating your own products, your own skincare products. So that's it. This is the shea butter, which is my emollient, and I have the turmeric oil, and that is called a carrier oil. These two ingredients are sitting prettily in the mixing bowl. The next thing I'll be doing is to dissolve them via the double boiling method. I will show you the process before adding the remaining ingredients. Please take note, do not overheat your butters. Always ensure that it is dissolving on a low heat. Overheating of your butters and oils can cause your body butter to be grainy. Kindly take note because we are at the sensitive stage of making a body butter. Once you notice that the butter and the oil are completely melted and there is no particles of unmelted butter, turn off your heat and take the mixing bowl containing the butter and the oil out immediately. So this is the melted butter, the melted shea butter and the turmeric oil. They are completely dissolved and very hot at the moment, and because it is hot, I cannot add our heat sensitive ingredients into it. So the next thing to do is to fasten the cooling process of this butter and the oil by placing it in the fridge for 20 to 25 minutes for it to solidify. Please work within this time. Don't cover it, just place it inside a freezer. This is the body butter and the oil. This is how it looks like after solidifying for 20 minutes. Remember, I said you should allow it to solidify between 20 to 25 minutes. This time matters depending on the consistency you want. If you allow more than 30 minutes upwards, it might be too strong for you to whip. And if you solidify below 20 minutes, the consistency will be runny and too soft. Now, with the help of a hand mixer, I will use it to whip the butter and the oil to achieve that whipped consistency. So if you have watched the video to this point, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So I'm just going to whip and whip and whip and keep whipping until I feel it's okay. As you can see, the butter is a bit runny and soft. I'm going to solidify it in the fridge for 2 minutes more. Then it's time to now add the heat sensitive ingredients. And I'll be adding 5 drops of frankincense essential oil for skin healing benefits. And I'll also be adding 4 ml of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It helps with skin irritation, it helps to nourish the skin, and it's also effective at reducing UV damage in the skin. Once I'm done adding them into our body butter, I will whip thoroughly. Okay, I will whip very well. Keep whipping until you have achieved your desired consistency. So our Skin Glow body butter is ready. I'm just going to store it in a sanitized container. Look at how beautiful it looks. This body butter is for all skin types and highly recommended for those with dry skin, okay, and also for a damaged skin. It can be applied either in the morning or in the evening after taking your bath on a damp skin. You are going to love how smooth, soft, radiant and glowing your skin will look. Even if you are light skin or dark skin, it doesn't matter because this body butter is natural. Now let me show you how easy and fast this body butter absorbs into the skin. It is not greasy, it is so light and easily penetrates in your skin. Look at the glow. This is a skin food. Your skin needs this to stay moisturized and healthy. You can make it yourself, and if you want the ingredients, kindly contact us through our contact informations on your screen and also in the description box below. Or if you want us to make more of this product for you to rebrand and resell, we got you covered. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share and like and leave a comment below. See you soon. Bye.